So your website has to be as dynamic and as evolving as your business is. In case if your business is evolving but your web presence is not evolving, then it's outdated. Hey guys, my name is Ashish Dalia. I am CEO and founder at iKnowledge Factory Private Limited. Today I'm going to talk to you about a recent case study of a website which we launched is for a very prestigious client of ours called Force Motors. Force Motors is a publicly listed company, is into manufacturing of vehicles, automotive components, and also into engine development services. So when this customer came to us, essentially they had approached quite a lot of other companies, but they shortlisted to work with iKF, and we like to express our gratitude for that. When customer came across to us, their expectation was to create an international wow looking website with ease of navigation, because their customers are not corporates. Their customers are typically tier 2 cities, hospitals, schools. So purpose of adding a video on the website was simply to create a very engaging element. This is a hero image. This is a hero section of the website where all their product variants are being shown. Another element which we add up on this website is today people have a less time, less patience, and they want everything on a click of a button. We also introduce a concept of a talking website. So now what happens? Let me show you.
Welcome to Force Motors. In the next minute, I'll introduce you to who we are and what makes us a leader in the world of mobility. Let's dive in.
So
Force
what we
Motors
create,
is fully vertically.
so essentially what you see is this is also not something which is very common. Either people put up a 3 minutes of a video, but we said why not we create a 45-second elevator pitch of the company, and that is right up on the top. Since we incorporated this, what we saw is the amount of people staying on the website has got increased and everyone is clicking on this. This is not something which is very unique. Second thing is Force Motors, as we are aware, is into varieties of the vehicle. So it was important to show up all the vehicles on one particular panel. So if you go down to the website and check out on the vehicle section, you will see a mega menu. Now mega menus are generally single layer, but here we created a multi-layer mega menus, and at the same time also integrated all their product images over here. The purpose of doing this was essentially to ensure that we have a single click navigation website. So for any visitor coming to website, on a single click they should be able to browse through any section of the website, and that's what was the essential purpose. Second thing is when anyone is coming on the website, they get a clear bifurcation of what all products are available under school buses, under ambulances, and even on the traveler section part of it. This was one of the idea which was being loved by each and every section. And at the same time, when someone just take a mouse on monobus or tracks, what you see here is this is called a concept of do not click. You don't have to click, just hover a mouse over it and the content loads without compromising on the download speed of the website. Now let me take you to second fold of the website. Well, the second fold of the website is like a carousel effect. If you further go down on the website, you see now 1958 until now is a real legacy. How many companies really thrive with so many years and the decades of experience? When Force Motor is there, and when we wanted to show their milestones and the journey, we thought, why do we have typical kind of a milestone? We use the speedometer kind of an effect. So when I click on 2022, so what do you get to see here is basically all the achievement which happened during that point of time. Similar in 1958. So any vehicle is basically, any vehicle essentially have a speedometer. So we use speedometer concept in order to showcase the milestone of the companies. If you further go down, so here is a link to their corporate film. So on a click of it, the corporate film pops up. Further down, if we go down, their expertise, as we are aware, they are into research development, engineering. They recently collaborated with Mercedes-Benz and the manufacturing facility. Everything is being put up in a carousel post itself. So if I click on the website, the entire dealers network is easily accessible, as we created a full-fledged dealers module with both domestic as well as the international. Here, people either can select state or city or the kind of vehicle, and the entire list of dealership can be made available. Having done this, this also helped us for Force Motors to increase the visibility of their dealers. Second thing is we also did a specific level of content and copywriting, and all the content writing being done for these particular projects are aligned to the communication. Say like moving what matters, because vehicles are always on the movement. So each and every copy lines aligns with their businesses and verticals. Find your force. So here is a list of all their vehicles. The moment I click on Urbania, read more, it takes me to a landing page, or rather a website of the company. So this is what makes this particular website very, very unique. While it's a very extensive website, but I just wanted to showcase you the kind of masterpiece work which is being done by our team. So we had a dedicated account manager, UI UX designer, content copywriter, coder, tester, and even the tech support team who was there to ensure that throughout this entire journey, customer gets an flawless experience. In case if you're looking forward to revamp your website, want to create a website as stunning as Force Motors is, we are a destination to be there. A brief about iKEF. I run a company called iKnowledge Factory Private Limited. We are one of the legacy as well as one of the most experienced website designing and digital marketing agency based out of Pune, Maharashtra in India. We currently work with over 1500 plus customers which are to the similar stature of Force Motors. Most of our customers comes from B2B and manufacturing domain. We are powered with around 55-60 people team company, and we understand how to transform your business. In case if you are looking out for seriously digital transforming your business, iKEF is one-stop solution for you. Looking forward to seeing you and speaking to you.